All right, I'm starting video. We're seeing David's rear end right now, but he's finishing up. Everything's cut. With the steps. The risers. So how you feeling?
Hot.
Yeah, I bet. You look, yeah. They look awesome. I'll come over here. So what are you going to do next? Besides, after you take a break. So when you... So, what happens next?
I attach the newel post to the bottom step there.
Okay.
And then I attach all the trays.
Okay. The side looks really good. How you... Let me get it from this angle. And what did you use for that? That was... That looks really good. How you rounded the edges look really good too.
The bottom tray sticks up further.
Uh-huh.
Rounds around.
Yeah. Looks really pretty. It's been a pain getting everything cut just right. Not too bad.
Hot. If it wasn't hot, it'd be great.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it looks awesome. We'll come back when more's been added. But so far it looks amazing. Beautiful. Anything you want to add?
Nope.
No. He needs popsicles and water. He needs hydration.